Hello, hi. Welcome to the session. Myself, Dr. P. Shivaranjani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, working in Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science, and I'm handling Management Information System for second BCA student. So today we'll discuss about applications of management system in third unit. So some of the applications of your management information system, which includes it can be used in manufacturing sectors, in service sector, in decision support system and knowledge management, in monitoring organization performance and information security and controls. So in the case of your manufacturing sector, the management information system plays the role of personal management system, production management, financial management, material management, and marketing management. So in the case of your personal management, it has a primary function of providing suitable manpower in number and certain ability, skills, and knowledge as the business organization demand from time to time. Its goal is to control a personal cost through the continuous increase in manpower productivity by resorting the following techniques, such as HRD through training and upgrading skills, motivational through leaderships and job enrichment, promotional and rewards through rewards and appraisals, structuring the organization. Personal management, in that we're going to see about the input transaction documents that has been required for the personal management. They require the personal application forms, appointment letters, attendance and leave records, biodata, appraisal form, productivity data on jobs, wages or salary agreements, records of complaints, grievance or accidents, industrial data of wage, salary structure, industry data on manpower, skill, qualifications. So some of the applications of your personal management, it can be used in your accounting, query, analysis, and control. So in the case of your financial management, its function has a primary objective of meeting the financial need of the business from time to time by the way to provide a working capital and long-term capital to run the business with the goal of containing the cost of capital at minimum. Declaration of audit financial results, submit all the reports and return to the government and tax authorities. So in the financial management tools that has been required for managing this financial management, the one is called as break-even analysis, cost analysis, cash flow projections, ratio analysis, capital budgeting and RO, that is return on investment analysis, financial modeling, marketing account, expenses analysis, auditing and control. So in the case of your transaction management, the input transaction document requires payment to the supplier, authorities, employees, shareholders, financial institutions, and other. Receipt from customers, authorities, employee, shareholders, financial institutions, and others. Data from stock exchange of share prices, consolidated financial results of other companies. So the application of your financial management, it includes accounting, query, decision analysis, and controls. So the next is about the production management, we shortly called as PM. The objective of a PM function is to provide the manufacturing services to the organization. This involves manufacture of the product of certain specified quality and within certain cost in stimulated time, fulfilling the promises given to the customer. The PM function is supported by other functions by production, planning, and control, industrial engineering, maintenance, and quality control. So some of the applications of your production management, it performed through production planning and control, bill of material processing, drawing and process planning, scheduling and monitoring system as support systems. Next is about material management. To provide a material for production, maintenance and services at the economical prices in appropriate quantity and quality with least stock out with no extra cost of carrying the inventory. The scope of the material management function is procurement, stock control of inventories. Application of your material management. It includes forecasting and planning, procurement, purchase ordering, goods receipt, issuing the materials, processing of returns, bill passing and controls. In the case of your marketing management, it deals with the satisfying the customer. The scope of the function starts from identifying the need of the customers, evolving the product concept, design the product, positioning the product in market and selling in appropriate price, activities, marketing research, consumer survey, advertising, sales promotion, campaigns, stocking of products. So the next is about the marketing management application. It includes accounting, query, decision analysis and controls. So the next is the role of MIS in service sector. So unlike manufacturing sector, the service sector does not have physical goods to be manufactured for the customers. The data processing application like payroll, accounting and inventories are required in service industry too, but they may not be all critical to the service industries. Service is the essential a process of human interactions. Any human interaction is knowledge based, hence information based. So according to Tom Peter, in the Service of Edge, stated 5 principles of distinctive services. The one is called, first principle is listen, understand and postpone to the customer. Second principle defines a superior services and establish a service strategy. The third principle is about set standards and measures and performance. Fourth, select, train and empower the employee to work for the customers. And the fifth principle is recognize and reward the accomplishment. So the next is in service sector, creating a distinctive services. So here we have to know the difference between the service and the product. The service is not tangible, whereas the product is tangible, so it is really or definite. Services are offered on demand, products are offered on payment. So in the case of your services cannot be demonstrated, but the product can be demonstrated. To judge the quality of the services, it is difficult to its customer response and behavior. It can be possible to judge the quality of the product. So the next one is creating distinctive services in the case of different phenomena such as annual health checkup and normal treatment, emergency, hospitalization. So in the case of your annual health checkup, they'll have an exception that quick services and total coverage at a single locations with proper guidance and advertisement. So perceptions, they determines on socio-economical status. And in the case of your normal treatments, proper guidance and very less waiting time. This is what the expectation, but the perception is less paperwork and infrequent visits. And in the case of the emergency, they need an exception that immediate attention, necessary resources and services are immediately available. So precipitation is that the doctor choice and norms of immediate attention. And in the case of your hospitalization, it requires the expectation is that they should have a clean and quiet surrounding, pleasant stay and fast recovery. The precipitation is service with smile. So the next is about application of MIS in service sector. So it includes airlines, hotel, hospital, banking, insurance, utilities and finance. So first we'll see about airlines. The operating function to move the peoples and goods from one location to another location, safe on time. The precipitation about good services, schedule, convenience, price, seat comfort, meal quality, treatment by crew, facility at airport. So the next one is about the hotel. Keep track of customer profile, monitoring occupancy level, project future needs, monitoring the level of the expectations, monitoring the communication needs, customer data illustrations. The next one is your hospitality. So the requirement to run a business institution with the missions of the best healthcare for the people. The scope of the service includes healthcare guidance, prevention care, post-clinical attention, care, and advice. So they needs a medicinal engineering. So in the case of your back office application, it includes core application, manpower and personal plannings, payroll and the employment related application, hospital billing and recovery, the expiry date management, financial accounting expenses control, maintenance of service facility, resource utilizations and analysis. So the next one is about in the case of your banking sector. It is a place where the financial services are offered by checking, saving, and providing a credit to the customer. The customer chooses the banks on the case of doing business, the quality of personnel and services, the range of financial services. So the next one is about the insurance, the information for the development of new insurance product through different policies, the settlement of claims in terms of time, values and fairness, the administration and the management of the existing policies. The next application of MIS is in the case of your decision support system. The decision support system held the information system in intelligent phases where the objective is to identify the problem and then go to design phase for solution, helping in making decision and also in performance evaluations. Validate the decisions by performing sensitive analysis on various parameters. Application of Herbert-Simon models. So types of decision support system. It requires a status inquiry system, data analysis system, information analysis system, accounting system, and model-based systems. So this is the data decision support system models. So it includes 3 different types of model. The one is called as behavioral models. The second one is called as a management science model, and third one is called as a creation research models. So the next one is knowledge management, ability of people and organization to understand and act effectively. The important terms of knowledge management is IC, that is intellectual capital. The knowledge and IC is set made up of information, ability, experience, and wisdom. Define, capture, manipulate, store, and develop. Develop information system for knowledge creations. Design application for improving organization effectiveness. Create knowledge set, that is IC, to increase the economical value of the business organization. Keep IC continuously on upgrade to use it as a central resources, distribute and share to concern. So the next one is the knowledge management process tools. They requires database management tools, data warehousing, data mart, data mining tools, processing modeling and management tools, workflow management tools, search engine tools, and web-based tools. So the next one is about the application of MIS in the case of monitoring organization performance and information securities and controls. So first we'll see about what is organizational performance. So the performance is nothing but the end results of the activity, and the organizational performance is nothing but accumulating the end results of all the organization work process activity. So measuring an organization performance important. Managers need to understand the factor that contributed to the high organizational performance, better assessment management. So type of your performance control tool. So they requires your information control, balance scorecard approaches, benchmarking practices, and financial controls. So the first one is your financial control. Taken from the organization financial statement, a number of financial ratios used in organization in the case of your financial control, whereas in the case of your information control, MA is used to provide the management with needed informations on regular basis. Provide information, not merely data. So organize data in a meaningful way, can access the information in reasonable amount of time. So the next is about balanced scorecard approaches. Performance measurement tools that examine the 4 areas, determine whether the goal in each area are being met. Focus is still on area that derives the organization success. So the next one is your benchmarking of best practices. Search for the best practice among the other organization that leads to their superior performance. Used to identify the performance gap and potential area of the improvement. Look for internal best practices that can be shared. So the next one is information system security and controls, which consists of system vulnerabilities and abuse. Advanced in telecommunications and computer softwares and authorized